Hi everyone, GarageKing here, and I found a great thing for us to do, an exhaust hack. We're going to try to fix this exhaust leak. Take a look here and see what I found. Not the easiest thing, but let's get up here. We see some exhaust coming, and right around here where there's the O2 sensors, we have found a leak. And our leak is right in there. So it's cracked, and actually there you go, you can see it. Let me see if I can zoom in. There you go. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to weld this up. What we have to do is take off this heat shield, because if we weld from the top here, we're not going to get underneath where the cracking is. So we're going to have to take off this heat shield. Now I'm on the other side of the heat shield, and you can see there's these little bolts with nuts, and actually, there you can see, I'm going to try to zoom in. There you go. You can tell the nut part is totally rusted off. So there's no way we're going to be able to get a wrench on that and turn it. So what we're going to have to do, unfortunately, we're going to have to cut them off, but that's fine because we're trying to fix the exhaust. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to use regular clamps, and we're going to clamp them back on. So let's cut these suckers off. Okay, so we're going to cut the clamps off. Like we said, make sure you're wearing hearing protection, and also make sure that you're wearing eye protection, because you don't want to be get something in the eye and get yourself hurt. Okay, so here's the exhaust piece right there. You can see we've taken the heat shield out. It's quite rusted. That's where we can see it's all rusted out. Right there. There's where it's all rusted out. So we can actually, I don't know if we can look here or see holes, but it's, there we go. And you can actually see a hole through the other side. I'm almost wondering if it might be better to put a muffler bandage on it. You can buy those little bandages, and then we can put the bandage on it, wrap it around, and then clamp it. Because it seems like it's pretty rusty, and it's actually going to fall off. And you can't really weld to rust, so I think we may have a problem here. But I'm not 100% sure yet. I might even get some tin, wrap it around, and weld some tin around it. Not sure. I'm still thinking, guys. I'm still thinking. So you can see we tried welding it, and you can see the welding, it just wouldn't stick. There's just too much rust. You can't weld to rust. I thought maybe there's enough steel in there, but anyway, it wouldn't work. And then the worst thing, guys, worst thing, or folks, as you can see, this is just terrible. So I guess the heat, what it did is it blew a little bit of a hole in there. So thinking about it. So I just ran out, and I got these. So we're gonna try them, and we're gonna just see if it works. So we got some goop stuff we're gonna paste on, and then we're gonna wrap them. So let's see if this works. Ooh, what was that? Maybe do we need to knead this thing first? I don't think so. It didn't say that anywhere, but I guess it had some oil near the top. I guess we learned that, right? Okay, so we got our heat gun. So let's just heat it up a bit. Okay, so that's good. Feels, yeah, feels definitely warm, but I'm afraid we still got a lot of this kind of rusty powder, so I'm just gonna get some emery cloth to clean that. Okay, so we got a little bit of emery cloth just so we can kind of clean the rust away. Make sure you're wearing some type of respirator, because you can see all that crap falling down. Put the patch on, we've heated it with a gun, kind of changed colors a bit, and it's hard. And now what we're gonna do is just put the red the red wrap on. Okay, so we're gonna put the bandage on. Here's what the bandage looks like. Now you have to pull the backing off it. There's actually a backing on both sides on this spider patch stuff. So yeah, that's what it is. Anyway, what I'm using, I don't know, just whatever your local hardware store sells. Most of them have something you got to pull off the back. So you can see we can pull it, and it's actually, it comes off both sides. So there you go, there you have it. So I'm pulling it apart. So this is one side, and then this comes off the other side, and then the clear stuff is what actually goes on the car. That's what stays on the car. So clear stuff stays on the car. Remember, we're just gonna pull it just like this. There we go. Yeah, because this is really sticky. I can feel that it's really sticky, so we want to get it through here. And then the other side is just the same as this side. We'll do our wrapping. Okay, and now that we got this on, we can reclamp. Okay, now we got to do the other side. So what we're gonna do is we got to grab the heat shields. We just kind of put whatever insulation was in there, just kind of tuck it back, I suppose. Okay, we just started the vehicle, we're underneath, and I'm feeling with my hand, and there is no exhaust leak at all on either of them. So there's the other one. Getting hot to touch. There we go. So it's actually kind of sucking itself on a bit there. So that's good, but yeah, no exhaust leak, so all fixed up.